This is the type of deformity I'm talking about in median nerve injury above to the elbow, or we call it as supracondylar injury of median nerve, and this commonly happens even with the supracondylar fracture of the humerus. This is called hand of benediction. Now, this same deformity, hand of benediction, is also called by some authors as pointing index finger, where the subject is asked to close the fist, and as I told you, he will not be able to flex the index and the thumb. But as I taught you that the middle finger can be partially flexed, not fully flexed, and the reason I told you that because of the webbing of the long flexor tendons, because the ring and little finger are being flexed because of the innervation through the ulnar nerve to flexor region profundus. But the tendon of middle finger, which was innervated by median nerve or the anterior trochleus nerve, is paralyzed. So the middle finger will not be able to easily flex. But still, because of being webbed aponeurosis, you don't find that the middle finger is completely extended. So that's why, because the middle finger is not as straight as the index finger, many authors do call it as pointing index finger. So ideally speaking, actually for you as a student, both are same deformity. Pointing index finger as well as hand of benediction, preacher's hand. This pointing index is also called as orator's hand by some authors. So you're finding that the index finger tends to remain straight when attempting to clasp the hand, and that's why we call it as pointing index finger.